Why not change up your pesto game by using pistachio instead of pine nuts? Let me show you how.
To get the most flavor, we want to toast our pistachios, so turn on a pan to medium-high heat. Give them a gentle toss around the pan for about 5 to 8 minutes or until you can start smelling the pistachios. Once they're toasted, remove them from the heat. You can make this pesto in a mortar and pestle, or you can use a blender, but I'm going to use the small bowl of a food processor to make it nice and easy. To the bowl, add 200 grams, around 2 cups or 7 ounces of your toasted pistachios. About 10 or so basil leaves that you've washed.
I'm using basil, but you could substitute it for arugula or fresh garden leaves. Whatever green you have, you can use in this pesto.
75 grams, 3/4 cups of finely grated parmigiano reggiano cheese. And I like to pre-grate it so that my food processor doesn't have to work too hard. And 1 clove of garlic. Set your food processor to low speed and then start drizzling in 150 milliliters, 2/3 a cup of olive oil.
If you want to cut back on the oil, you can use half oil and half water for this recipe.
I like the pesto to be a little bit chunky so that it has some more texture in the pasta, but if you want yours more smooth, just keep blending. Be aware the heat from your food processor might start to cook the pesto. A good tip to avoid this is to add in an ice cube. That keeps everything cool and makes sure your pesto is nice and creamy. This will only keep for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator before it starts to go brown. But if you want to make a bunch in advance, you can freeze it in ice cube trays and then just pop them out when you're ready to use them. If you're looking for a recipe to use this pesto, you have to try my pistachios. It is the most delicious pasta I think I've ever had. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this useful, please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.